Don't know, you know. I'm a lady on the first lady of reggae dancehall, and me I bring to you and you and you. What me say? Jamaica from the outside. And Jamaica from the outside. And I'm me proud to be a Jamaican. But me say all of we barriers, them are broke down. All of we barriers, them are broke down. We are one united Jamaican. It again, it a spice up the soul.
Hey guys, welcome to another episode. I hope you have all been enjoying your holidays and that you're excited about the new year. Well, today I'm in Jamaica and showcasing the incredible work of Regal, a master craftsman whose aluminum pots have become staples in Jamaican kitchens. These pots are made to last and are perfect for cooking Jamaican favorites like rice, and we want to make sure that it doesn't get burnt. These are the pots for that job. They're ideal for soups. They are great for cooking stew peas. You name it, all our dishes. They are great for doing that. Let's have a word with Regal. How are you today?
I'm good, fine, you know what I mean? Just here chilling at the spot, number one Dutch pot shop in a JFL, that's it. You know, we sell the fine Dutch pot them, have all different types, all different sizes. You don't know from your stop your kitchen sort out, yeah, with something you go walk out. We sell cold pot as well. We sell the stuff them to feed your fowl, the feeding pan. We have spoon and fork, tower that's make roti. Yeah. We have Dutch pot from small, medium, little bit over medium, extra large, some party type stuff. The rain a fall now, so them inside.
Okay.
But yeah man, wide variety as we say, the best Dutch pot in town, aluminum with cast iron.
Alright, so Regal, how long you been making the pots?
My grandfather there till from 1977
Wow.
till dad comes, aunt comes in, a family structure, you know?
Okay.
Yeah, so we've been doing it for quite some time now.
So you get a lot of support from people passing through this area?
I definitely it have its season. Like any business, it have its ups and downs, you know what I mean? Some days good, some days nothing. Some days great, some days bad. That's just business.
Yes. So these are the pots, guys, and they are not just tools. They're a piece of the Jamaican culture. They symbolize resilience and creativity that have been passed down through generations. So if you are ever in Jamaica, look out for Regal's aluminum pots, crafted with pride and built to last. Let's continue to support local talent and preserve the culture that makes Jamaica special.
Find me on the main road, coming from Ochi, I'm like 7 miles away from Port Maria. Coming from Kingston, I'm like 6 miles away from the roundabout. So you can find me on the main road, man. I represent Miss Marcia. You don't know everything good up. And she represent Jamaica. She represent authentic product.
Yeah.
She represent the real side. So I give her likes and views. Do the same thing. Subscribe. You know, you can subscribe to the pot shop, subscribe to our channel.
Yeah.
Jamaica from the outside.
Until next time. Ciao.